corner of my room, see my friends in high places. I don't know which is which or who is whom, they've stolen each other's faces. Janet is there with her high hat and hair and full of bedroom feathers. And Janet is known to make dead men groan in any kind of weather. I crawl over to her, I say, hey baby, I say, hey Janet, you are the one, you are the sun, and I'm your beautiful planet. But she ain't down with any of that, 'cause she's heard that shit before. And I'll say, uh-huh, yeah, you're right, 'cause I see Betty X standing by the door with more news from nowhere.
More news from nowhere.
Yeah, more news